Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Mazda 3 front bumper. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver, trim removal tool, and a socket wrench. Next, safely lift the front of your car and secure it with jack stands. Removing the front wheels will give you better access to the fender liner fasteners. Then, carefully locate and remove all visible clips and screws that hold the bumper in place. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the electrical components. Carefully unplug the electrical connectors for your fog lights. If your Mazda 3 has sensors, like parking sensors, make sure to disconnect their wiring harnesses as well. It's important to ensure all these connections are safely tucked away. Take a moment to double-check that no wires remain attached to the bumper assembly before proceeding. With all fasteners and electricals disconnected, you can now gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. It should release from any remaining clips with a firm but careful tug. Once removed, place the bumper on a soft, clean surface to avoid scratches. Take this opportunity to inspect the bumper mounting points and surrounding areas for any hidden damage or wear. Also, clean any debris from the mounting surfaces. Finally, it's time to install your new front bumper. Carefully align the new bumper with the mounting points on your Mazda 3. Then, reattach all the clips and screws, working in the reverse order of how you removed them. Don't forget to reconnect all electrical components, including your fog lights and any sensors. Once everything is secured, perform a final visual check to ensure the bumper is perfectly aligned and securely fitted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.